When it comes to entertaining or preparing multiple meals at once, having the right kitchen appliance can make all the difference. This double slow cooker, 2x1.25 QT with 3 cooking settings, buffet servers and warmers, an absolute game changer for busy families, couples, or anyone who loves entertaining guests. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, meal prepping, or just trying to make dinner a little easier, this versatile cooker promises to simplify your kitchen experience with its dual cooking capacity, convenient design, and easy cleanup. Key features that make the double slow cooker a standout. Number 1. Dual cooking pots for maximum convenience. Simultaneous cooking. One of the standout features of the double slow cooker is its dual 1.25 Q2 pots. This allows you to cook 2 different dishes at once, making meal prep or serving a variety of foods a breeze. Independent operation. Each pot has its own independent controls, which means you can adjust the temperature and cooking time for each dish without worrying about interfering with the other. This makes it ideal for cooking meats in one pot and vegetables in another, or perhaps even a main course and a side dish simultaneously. Number 2. 3 cooking modes for custom culinary control. Low, high, and keep warm. The 3 temperature settings, low, high, and keep warm, make it easy to cook a variety of dishes to perfection. Whether you're slow cooking a hearty stew or keeping your favorite dip warm at a party, this slow cooker can handle it. Keep warm function. The keep warm setting ensures your dishes stay at the perfect serving temperature without the risk of overcooking. This feature is a lifesaver when entertaining guests or preparing meals ahead of time. Number 3. Transparent glass lids for easy monitoring. See-through lids. The transparent glass lids provide a clear view of the cooking process, allowing you to check on your food without having to lift the lid and release heat. Control over cooking time and heat. With the ability to observe the food's shape, color, and doneness, you can fine-tune the cooking process for better results. Whether you're cooking chili, braised meats, or a creamy casserole, the transparent lids help ensure that your food is cooked just right. Number 4. Safety features and effortless elegance. Detachable ceramic liners. The ceramic pots are heat-resistant and detachable for added safety. This ensures you can handle the pots without worrying about burning your hands or dealing with a mess. The ceramic liners also provide even heat distribution for perfect cooking every time. Number 5. Perfect for parties and gifting. Great for entertaining. The double slow cooker is an ideal appliance for parties, family gatherings, and special occasions. It can cook multiple dishes at once, saving you time and effort. Imagine serving a variety of delicious dishes, each at the perfect temperature, all from one appliance. Why should you invest in this double slow cooker? The double slow cooker is more than just a tool. It's a versatile, time-saving solution that enhances your cooking experience. By allowing you to cook 2 dishes simultaneously, this slow cooker makes it easier to prepare meals for busy weekdays or large parties. Here are a few reasons why you should consider adding it to your kitchen. Number 1. Dual pot flexibility. Cooking 2 different dishes at once can be a challenge without the right equipment. With the double slow cooker, you get the freedom to cook a main dish and a side dish, or meat and vegetables, all without needing to juggle multiple appliances or cooking times. Number 2. Time-saving functionality. The 3 cooking modes, low, high, and keep warm, allow you to fine-tune your cooking. No more guesswork, and no more worrying about overcooking your dishes. Plus, the keep warm function ensures your food stays ready to serve when guests arrive or when you're ready to enjoy your meal. Number 3. Family-friendly and party-ready. With 2x1.25 Q2 pots, this cooker is the perfect size for small families, couples, or those who enjoy cooking for a crowd. The ability to cook 2 dishes at once also makes it great for buffet-style parties or casual gatherings where guests can choose from multiple hot and fresh options. Number 4. Easy cleanup. The ceramic liner of this slow cooker is dishwasher safe, ensuring you don't waste precious time cleaning up. Simply throw the liners into the dishwasher and spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing pots and pans. Number 5. Elegant and practical design. The sleek black design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor, while the transparent lids allow you to keep an eye on your food as it cooks. It's practical, stylish, and built for convenience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.